So, I guess I'm supposed to tell you about who I am. La, la, la. I have a dream that one day we will be people too. A dream that we all will live with you. Seriously, I love you. Bye. I'm a crazy guy that likes music. I like video editing. I like playing video games. I like anime. I have this tattoo on my arm from Bleach. I think it's pretty awesome. I'm probably the oldest person of the ShftCrew. If you want to know my age, leave a comment in the comment box below. I also like to know how old you think I am. That'll be pretty interesting. See, hopefully you'll give us some comments and feedbacks and challenges, because we definitely would like to see what you want us to try to do. I'll show you the rest of the room, but it's kind of gotten messy again. Oops, you saw something. We're all pretty crazy and like to have fun, so I hope to see you guys soon. And look forward to your interesting comments below. Talk to you later. Peace.